In today's market, finding a dependable car under $10,000 may sound impossible, but it isn't. We've researched the US auto market to bring you 5 proven models that combine reliability, volume, and performance. Stay with us, because these options could change the way you think about affordable driving in America. Car number 1, 2010 Toyota RAV4. Car number 1 is the 2010 Toyota RAV4. This compact SUV is well known for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal problems. It has a JD Power Reliability score of 88 out of 100, plenty of cargo space, and efficient 4-cylinder engines. On the used market, you can often find a clean example under $8,500. If you want practicality, space, and peace of mind for your family, the RAV4 is a strong first choice. Car number 2012-2014 Toyota Corolla. Car number is Toyota Corolla, model years 2012 through 2014. The Corolla is famous for being nearly bulletproof, with excellent fuel efficiency and very low maintenance costs. It's the go-to sedan for students, commuters, or anyone who just wants a car that never quits. Mechanics love it because parts are cheap and widely available. For under $9,000, you can get a reliable daily driver that will easily last for years without giving you trouble. Car number 3, 2010 Toyota Camry. Car number 3 is the 2010 Toyota Camry, a mid-size sedan that combines comfort, safety, and affordability. The Camry has long been a favorite in America. It scored highly in crash tests by both IIHS and HTSA, making it a safe pick for families. On the market, a well-maintained 2010 Camry usually sells for $8,000 to $9,000. It's one of the best values in the used car world, if you want something bigger than a Corolla but just as dependable. Car number for 2015 Honda Fit. Car number for is the 2015 Honda Fit. Don't be fooled by its small size. A Fit is a master of space efficiency. The rear magic seats fold flat, creating amazing cargo room for a subcompact car. Add to that Honda's reputation for reliability, and you've got a fun, efficient, and dependable car for city life. On average, you can find one in good condition for under $9,500, making an excellent choice for students or young professionals. Car number 5, 2016 Mazda 3. Car number 5 is the 2016 Mazda 3. This car stands out because it's not just reliable, it's also fun to drive. With precise steering, sporty handling, and a stylish interior, it feels more premium than its price. Car Edge even gives it a plus volume rating. You can usually pick one up for $9,000 to $10,000, depending on mileage. If you want excitement and dependability under one roof, the Mazda 3 is the car for you. So there you have it, 5 reliable cars you can buy in the USA today for under $10,000. Which one would you choose? Drop your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real, practical car buying tips.